Welcome to the third segment of KFPL's Tween Photography Challenge. This week, our topic is close-up photography. We'll discuss why we may want to choose close-up photography, tips on how to take photos close-up, and what items make interesting subjects close-up. Close-up photography, also referred to as macro photography, invites us into a world much smaller than our usual notice. Maybe you want to focus on the details that are overlooked by the naked eye. Or perhaps you're interested in creating an artistic, abstract piece. Close-up photography can also be a useful tool in science. Here's how we do it. Many photography enthusiasts and professionals have special lenses that assist in taking the best macro shot possible. But if you don't have one of those, what are your options? Did you know that most standard digital cameras have a close-up option built in? This is often depicted by a flower symbol either on the dial or in the settings menu. Check your manuals. When zoomed in on your subject, gently press your camera shutter button halfway down to focus. Once focused, continue pressing the button all the way down to capture your image. What it does is give your subject a shallow depth, or what you may notice is a very blurred background behind your close-range subject. Smartphones today have amazing cameras built in, and they keep on getting better. On your camera phone, you can use your fingers in a pinching motion to zoom in to your subject. Once zoomed in, tap the screen to focus. The extra tap ensures that the image is as sharp as possible. Regardless of whether you're using a digital camera or a smartphone, there is one very important tip all can benefit from in capturing those close-up images clearly. Keep your hands steady. Having the wobbles is macro's greatest enemy. If you have a camera strap, use it. Not everyone has a tripod on hand, so your body must become one. Spread your feet apart to anchor and pin your arms to your sides. Also, if there is a stable, unmovable object like a wall or a tree trunk, use that to brace yourself to avoid the shakes and the wobbles. Subjects like flowers, hence the choice of a flower symbol to represent close-ups, insects, single body parts like eyes, water droplets, and the surface texture of material all make interesting close-up subjects. Here are some samples to get the wheels turning. Think of anything else that would make an interesting close-up subject? Now it's your turn. Practice taking photos in the close-up range. You can share your work on Instagram using the following hashtag.